Convener of Protection and Preservation Committee Manipur PPCM Phairoijam Nando Luang today demanded Security Advisor Kuldeep Singh and DGP Rajiv Singh to facilitate for the safe return of the two youths who have been abducted by Kuki militants. Security Advisor must step down if any untoward happens to these youths. Nando Luang said this while attending the observance of 128th birth anniversary of Lamyanba Hijam Irabat, which was organized by Lamyanba Irabat Ningsing Thauram Observation Committee Lintok at Auditorium Hall of Jawaharlal Nehru Manipur Dance Academy today. Convener of Lintok, Konthaujam Thoiba, Co-Convener KH Gopen Luang, Director of JNMDA Pukhrambam Bilash, Co-Convener of Lintok L. Shyam Kuman and Y. Tiken attended the program as presidium members. Speaking further in the program, Convener Nando Luang said Manipur could not produce a revered leader like Hijam Irabat as we have failed to create an ideal society and as we live in a society where self-interest has taken precedence over anything else. He said, we live in a society where people who utilize their money power get elected as our leaders. This has created an unconducive environment for good leaders to breed in our state.
Adunga 1991 da British officer manga Kwasau na Manipur miyam na kari para tambiki haibisisu madugi lesson dumasu security advisor na kuji maitai ani sina hostage we lengi marat mabani gi marai bak tambang ngamdingi marat sida madumana matik tu mapaga leba ai kana kane khalle aduna security advisor unified command gi chairman obniya magi mathawni masi magi khwaiji gi tangai padaba thabangni aduna masi ma thado ngamdraba Manipur thado chakri gro habise wafam di tamjani aduga Manipur miyam chu ache pe play bloksi lamyan bira bona malim da khongda khri ni se koi isane sabu thongna da hapsena borasi aduga koi gi thado leiba maitai ani se matuna ma sokpa yaroi khadun ga thonba yaroi kai gi ma thonadi ai koi su chap chana maitai gi I chen bani koi maitai masani koi yaroi haibagi phirip tuma lominer si haiba wafam ju tamjari.
Meanwhile, convener of Lintok, Konthaujam Thoiba, highlighted immense contributions of Hizam Irabat when he was an MLA. He said Irabat will be remembered for his fight to save Manipur. His legacy will be permanently engraved in the minds of people, while his ideals will drive the collective conscience of Manipuris.
Lamyanba Irabat ina kara khumba Raj Dorba ki member oiba Lawa mayam ki ina kara khunba adu misaga ma oiki asida sunatna matam da ma vote ka misaga ma oiki adu ba undemocratic oiba Bharat ki makha da lengak semna wo hunrakpa adu gumba thawong da yaning da batagi ba amna masagi MLA pham thadoktana deba ki dam Manipur ki dam mana asu ma thawdang silogi sum mama na loiba na roi da ba tungi Manipur ki khunai ki dam ta apunba Manipur ma sagatuna ingtapa khunai ma oina ba ki dam ta ma lor ma thawdang do ngasigi miro na mang tormi thabak sing asum mani haiba khanglapag loina na ma bu lamyan mi thonji piraga ngasi miyam punon na magi thorum sing pangthok charimni